antioxidant. So that means that it gets rid of free radicals on the skin that are caused by UV damage from the sun and other environmental stressors or toxins, so that you reduce the effects of sunburn and sun damage that can lead to photoaging and skin cancer. Who should use this? Again, anyone who wants to treat one of those four things, who wants a good anti-aging or antioxidant product, or overall just more even and glowing skin. Who should avoid this? Now, I mentioned earlier that vitamin C needs to be at a lower pH to be absorbed most effectively. Now, because of that low acidic pH, it may feel a little bit stinging when you first apply it to your skin. So if you have really sensitive skin and find that skincare products are often irritating to you, this might not be a good option for you. If you have rosacea or redness-prone skin, this can also be aggravating and may even flare rosacea. If you have very acne-prone skin and this happens to irritate your skin or cause any inflammation, it may spur an acne flare. So for those skin types, I recommend proceeding with caution. It's not that you can't use this, but just pay close attention when you put this on your skin, how it reacts. And as always, if you have questions about if vitamin C is right for you, ask a dermatologist. The key ingredients in this product, first, is 10% vitamin C in L-ascorbic acid form. I prefer vitamin C products that clearly state the percentage of the vitamin C, because in general, the higher the percentage, the more effective it can be. Of course, the effectiveness does depend on numerous other factors aside from just the percent of vitamin C, but this is one very important component, so I personally recommend knowing the percent in the product, and I really like that about this CeraVe product and its transparency in telling us the percent of this ingredient. This is the L-ascorbic acid form, which does need a lower pH to penetrate fully into the skin most effectively, and because of that, it comes with the risk or the side effect of irritation or a little bit of stinging when it's applied to the skin. Now, just because you may feel a stinging sensation on the skin, that's not always a bad thing. Most cases, this lasts just a few seconds, up to a minute or so, and then it goes away. And keep in mind, it's not like you're just putting pure vitamin C only on the skin. There are many other ingredients in the product that help make it more tolerable and cosmetically elegant on the skin. Now, my very first time using this product, I felt a very mild stinging on the skin. It lasted just a few seconds, and that was it. I did not get lasting redness or irritation from it. Also on the ingredients list, this product has ceramides, which reinforce that skin barrier and help hold moisture in the skin. Hyaluronic acid is also included, which is listed as sodium hyaluronate on the ingredients list. Now, this is great to have in a vitamin C product because hyaluronic acid will pull ingredients deeper into the skin to make them more effective. With vitamin C products, it is all about penetration to really get their benefits, and I love that about this product. It also has vitamin B5, which is listed as panthenol, and it's a very good ingredient for moisturizing the skin, especially when it is paired with hyaluronic acid, as it is in this product. Now, panthenol is also soothing because it has anti-inflammatory properties, which are good for decreasing the redness from sun exposure. It has vitamin E listed as tocopherol acetate. This is a major plus for this product and something that I definitely want to mention here. So when vitamin C and vitamin E are paired together, they are both more effective. So they synergistically work together to inhibit the acute UV damage from the sun, as well as chronic UV photoaging that can lead to skin cancer. I will mention that there is also isopropyl myristate in this product. I'm not going to say much about this ingredient right now, but it is a controversial ingredient in terms of its ability to clog the pores or being comedogenic. Some people will swear that this ingredient clogs their pores, but this is not definitively proven. It is added to products to improve the moisturization of the skin. I absolutely love how moisturizing this product is and how it feels on my skin, and that is in part due to this isopropyl myristate ingredient. Here are the ingredients that are notably not in this product. Fragrance. This is a fragrance-free product. There are also no parabens in this product.
ở nhà đi tí con. À con lên xe máy giặt, nó giặt chưa con? Thúy ơi, đang giặt tối gì?